Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this episode, I'm going to show you the ways to add music to your kick stream. To add music to your kick stream, you could follow these simple steps. Now, first of all, you want to go ahead and then open up your kick stream. And next thing you want to do is go ahead and locate the music that you want to add. Now, find out some copyright content and then you could download it. You could find it on Pixabay or you could also use it from YouTube. Now, when you've actually downloaded the particular music or the audio, open up your streaming platform. And when you open up your platform, you could see this sort of page. So here you want to go ahead and click on sources. When you click on sources, here click on media file. Next thing you want to do is click on the add media link, and next thing you want to do is now tap on the browse option and then enter the link that you've recently copied or that you've recently downloaded. Here you could go ahead and make changes with certain options or privacy settings and scroll down a bit and go ahead and make changes with your speeding and all that, and this way you'll be able to add music to your kick stream. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.